The A22 is a very important strategic route for East Sussex, taking in excess of 20,000 vehicles per day.
Following quite an expensive upgrade in 2012, following a full resurface, we felt that it's time that we put some sort of maintenance process together so that we can keep the durability of the road surface going for a longer period.
To resurface the carriageway again after 6 years would have meant weeks of traffic disruption, large amounts of waste material, and a considerable sum of money.
There's two problems with the existing road surface. One is a reflective cracking, which is dealt through a process by Roadtechs, where we're putting in our own designed and manufactured material. What's happening is the concrete surface underneath is cracking through the tarmac, which happens when you've got a asphalt surface on a concrete underlay. The other part is the actual mat, the surface of the road is becoming dry and a bit brittle. And what we're doing is we're replacing those elements that are lost through oxidation and general wear. And what that does really, in essence, it finds its way into the bitumen and coats the stone where it needs to be coated, and it actually stops the cracks at the nano level, which is the level which we can't see with the naked eye. And what that does is it stops the cracks actually coming through, and it extends the life of the surface. That's the whole point. And the really key point, which East Sussex, Costain and Jacobs have really grasped here, is to put it on the carriageway at the right point in its life cycle.
The reclamite process is very fast to carry out and causes minimal disruption to the road user.
The real point here is to be able to extend the life of the surface before other interventions are needed. And the great thing with the reclamite treatment is it can be repeated, and it can extend the life of the surface for up to 5 years.
Night closures were implemented on the A22 to enable Roadtechs to tackle the transverse cracks which occur in the asphalt between concrete bays. Firstly, the crack was planed out up to 50 mm in depth, swept and lanced clean. 2 layers of Roadtechs crack repair material were then decanted into the recess and a high PSV topping stone finally added. Once installed, the Roadtechs system provides a durable and flexible repair.
It's quite a good material because it's flexible, so any movement in joints, it will move with the crack.
Typically 20 to 30 minutes after being installed, the repair can be open to traffic.
Roadtechs have come up with some very good solutions, very professional. They've been very proactive in assisting with the design, and so far we've been very happy with the service that they've provided.
For this particular project, the thing that Roadtechs really brings to the party is the BBA HAPAS approved Rejuvenator for asphalt. We are the only company in the UK to be able to provide it for the United Kingdom and Ireland. And coupled with our ability to replace the cracks, it's a one-stop shop for the client.